September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while.
Hello loves, welcome back to the Sparkle Z Boutique. Today I'm coming to you and letting you know what I think about this beautiful unit that I'm wearing. You want to know what I think? You know what you got to do. Keep watching.
And of course you want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And then they have the options for you to set how you want to be notified about my channel. You can click all or occasional, but of course you want to know about all the fun on my channel. So click the all, including my creator post, and click the OK button and you're all set. Thank you for subscribing.
Shine bright like a diamond.
This is the wig is from Outre. The daily wig is a lace part wig. This is what it looks like. The thing that's supposed to be so great about this unit is you're supposed to be able to put this unit on without clipping any baby hairs or lace or anything. It's supposed to be like an everyday wig you can just put on your head. I got it in the color number 1. And here is the parting space. And it has two combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. Has the drawstrings in the back. This is what the parting space looks like on the top. And this is what the curls are like. Beautiful, beautiful curls. Wow. Wow. Okay.
I want to do a real quick voiceover because I am going on and on about how much I love this unit and how versatile it is. I'm showing you the hairline. If you wanted to, you can take a little bit of your hairline out, but I didn't want to do that. But I just want to show you what it looks like just by taking a regular wide tooth comb and combing through it.
You don't need no, I want to do it exactly how it's going to come in the package. I don't want to add any powder to or anything. Man, I love it. Just the way it looks as a middle part. This is what it looks like as a left side part. Bitch. And this is what it looks like as a right side part. Wow. Okay, let me give you a all the way around view. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I'm glad I got the number 1. This is definitely a daily wig. This is definitely a take out the pack, gotta rush, can't cut lace off, want to get in, get out, get it done. And then the wig unit is called Samara. And I like that because my middle name is Samara. Shout out to my mom. Oh wow, look at that. This is no plucking out the hairline, no what do you call it? Putting powder in the part. This is straight take out the pack and put on your head. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Tell me down below in the comment section, do you love it too? I love it. I think it's gorgeous. I want to thank Shophairwigs.com for sending this unit to me for review purposes. I will leave the link down below for where you can purchase Samara for yourself. Go ahead and get this, ladies. You will not be disappointed. It's perfect. It's like a curl wave, Farrah Fawcett. It's lightweight. You're not look like you're doing a whole bunch, but sexy, cute. You can do left, you can do right. It's like that.
Hopefully you guys love this review. Make sure that you thumbs this video up and share it with anybody you think that will love more information about this unit. I love you guys, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.